welcome back to my channel to start a series of me redecorating my apartment. I've lived in my cute little one bedroom for about a year now, but I really never truly decorated. Alright, so in the next clip you guys will see the state of my bedroom right now, and then I will come back and tell you guys the plans for my room and show you guys the things that I've bought thus far. Here's a quick span of how big my room is, and let's just go straight into the desk area. That is terrible. The desk is not stable. It was a DIY project and it was supposed to be like a vanity area, but it's just not cute. And that chair is strictly for my braiding clients, so that chair will be completely out of my room. Moving along to those frames, I added those frames the night before this video, but it was just a trial one to see how it would look above my bed. And here's my bed. I don't have a skirt, my sheets are just flimsy, and my pillows are just trash. Everything on my bed will be replaced, and I will be adding a comforter. Moving along to my bookshelf area, I will be either getting rid of it or just moving it to the other corner of my room and getting my TV either taken down or remounted because I did a terrible job mounting it. But I will be keeping my hat wall for sure. I love it. And as far as those vases, they were DIY as well, but I probably will be getting rid of those too. Now on to my clothing rack. I love my clothing rack, but it probably will go as well, and I will be moving my cable boxes, well, my internet boxes, to another portion of my apartment. I plan on adding blackout curtains to my room, not sure what color, but we'll get to that one day. I will eventually get rid of this nightstand, but for right now I'm gonna leave it, and that lamp has to go. And yeah, just a quick span of my room. Alright, as you can see, my room is not terrible, but there's no love, and you can tell that there's, you know, some love missing. So in that clip I told you guys like what I didn't like about my apartment, not my apartment, about my bedroom, the things I wanted to change. And now I'm going to tell you exactly what I plan to do, or what I've gathered so far that I want to do with my bedroom. Plan number one, this wall behind me will become a chalkboard wall today. My sheets and my new pillows and my new comforter that I got today on my bed. As far as those paintings, those pictures, I'm going to do that with those, spray paint the border gold, and I'm going to add a regular 8x11 sheet in the middle with either a quote or a word. Getting rid of this desk. This desk has to go. I hate this desk. My bookshelf, I don't want to get rid of it. I'm not sure if I'm going to repaint it. I'm not really sure. I'm not sure how I would like it elsewhere, but I do want to move it from underneath my TV, and possibly I'm getting rid of my clothing rack. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll just shut up and let you guys watch me make the first few changes to my bedroom. Alright, now we're in my living room, and I'm just gonna quickly go through the things that I bought today. I bought 4 pillows for my bed. I didn't want to go too overboard. Usually I like 6 pillows on my bed, but I want to add decorative pillows eventually, and I don't want to do too much. So I have 2 cooling pillows and 2 memory foam pillows. I wanted pillows that I know would stand for a while. I bought a new comforter set. I bought a white comforter, and I got some white sheets to go along with it. I bought this black chalkboard paint from Lowe's. It was $10 a can, and I got 2. It's supposed to cover 100 square feet if I'm not mistaken. So I got 2. My wall is, I'm only doing 1 wall, so I got 2 of these. And to do my wall, I just got this 9-piece paint set from Walmart. It has 2 roller brushes, 1 small brushes to do like the border, and I also have the tape to make the line straight or to keep the paint from going onto other walls.
So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
You guys, so that is it for this video. I've been working and painting since I think 6 o'clock, and it's now 11, so it took me a total of 5 hours. I may be exaggerating, but it took me a minute, and plus recording added on sometimes. So first of all, excuse me if I look crusty, oily, tired. Thank you so much for watching the first video of this mini series of me redecorating my room. As you can see, as I went along, I did change my mind about the border. I was gonna do it gold, but I just felt like my bed being gold is enough gold on this side of the room. I will add gold pieces on the other side, but for right now, my bed is the only gold that I want on this side of the room. I also think that I am going to add that third row of pillows. I have 2 pillows of mine that were pretty were in pretty good shape that I think I'm going to throw in the very back of this new set of pillows, just for like an added push on the bed. And I will be adding decorative pillows and things like that. So in the next video, you guys will see me tackle the front side of my room. So you guys in the loop of whatever I decide to do from here on out. But for right now, this is what my room will look like. And I also want to point out that when I was cleaning up my mistakes, I did put acetone on my rag to like really get the paint off. I think there's a safer way to get the paint off like your mistakes, but I know I had acetone, and I know acetone really gets my gel polish off of like my nails or my toes. So I was like, hey, I can just use acetone. I am very, 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 very satisfied with how this came out. I do plan on being in this apartment for a while, so yeah, when it's time to move, hopefully I don't have such a hard time covering this up. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for 7,000 subscribers. I'm not quite sure if I said it in any other video, but I have reached 7K. The goal is 10K by the end of 2019. I don't think that's hard to do. If I don't reach it, that's okay, but I am destined to reach it. You guys will definitely be seeing a lot more diversity in my channel because I am a pretty diverse person. But please give me some ideas. I could really use them. And thank you guys so much. I'm so grateful. I'm just so humble. Yeah, but I'm also tired, and I can keep talking and keep talking. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.